Welcome to Electrical Stuff. Today I bring very important and very interesting topic, that is AC helmet. Yes, you hear correct, AC helmet. Especially in the Dubai and the Gulf region, the temperature is very high in summer. So at this peak summer time, working condition is very difficult for labor as well as engineers. So what the solution? Solution is world's first AC helmet. Yes, let's have a look. Recently, I went to Carrefour store. In the store, uh, they placed like a display piece, world's first AC helmet. It's cost around 550 AED. Let's have a look this one. See, this is a helmet. It's look like very interesting, and this is a air vents, and there is a display also there. So this is the first helmet. So it's look nice, really nice, and they have a safety goggles also inbuilt with this one. Now let's have a look of futures. Decrease temperature by up to 15 degrees Celsius or 36 degrees Fahrenheit, and works on a patent solid state cooling technology, and it have a 4 large vents. It's cooling over the head, neck and face, and powered by rechargeable battery, and there is a no or zero maintenance. So it's basically have a three models: model E, model S, model W. In the model E, runtime is 2 hours, model S 10 hours, model W 2 hours. Charging time for model E 1 hour, model S 4 hours, and model W 1 hour. So colors are cool white and reflective yellow and reflective yellow. These are the colors. Battery packs inbuilt with the helmet. Model E, you'll get the inbuilt with helmet, and model S you have to be wear the vest. You have like a backside the vest, you have to be wear it for battery, and you will be connect the charger to the helmet. And model W, it is also inbuilt with the helmet. Weight up to 800 grams for model E, and model S it's a 650 grams, but battery pack you want to wear it is like 800 grams. This is a little bit way, but it is a 10 hours duration is there. And model W it's a 1000 grams with welding shield also there. Model W, and it's a visionary how it look like, tinted transparent, and here also tinted transparent and universal welding shield. Model W it's getting welding shield, you will get this one. So this is a new type of helmet, so interesting to watch, and let's try it also. Thanks for watching. This is a source from the Carrefour supermarket as well as jazzsafety.com. So I'll get the information from them. If you are interested, just go and watch there. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye bye.